Morning students, we are going to see the topic comparison of decimals. A few important steps according to evaluation of decimal numbers. Step 1. Compare the whole number part of the two numbers. The decimal number that has the greater whole number part is greater. Example 53.7. 53 is a whole number. 0.7 is decimal part. So comparing the 0.7 and 53. Which one is greater? 53. Okay. Next step 2. If the whole number part is equal, then compare the digits at the tens place. Whole numbers 53.7, 53.8. The whole number is same. Therefore equal. Next you compare the decimal part. Third step, if the whole number part and the digits at the tens place are equal, compare the digits at the hundreds place. Okay, let us now see how to do this problem in simple way. Compare the numbers 45.55 and 45.5. We first compare the whole number part. Whole number part means 45.55, 45.5. Whole number is 45. Another number of the whole number is 45. We see that the whole number part for the both the numbers are equal. 45, 45. Both are equal. So, we now compare the tens place. Compare the tens place. After the point, first place is tens place. We find that for 45.55 and 45.5. Okay, 45.55, 45.5. Tens place are also equal. So next you compare the hundreds place. Now we proceed to compare hundreds place. The hundred place of 45.5 is 0 and that of 45.55 is that place not given, the number is 0. It is denoted by 0. Next, that given the number of hundreds place is 5. Comparing the hundreds place, we get 0, 5. Which one is greatest number? 5. So, 5 is greatest number, 0 is smallest number. 45.50 less than of 45.55. So 45.55 is less than of 45.50. Next, do you understand now? I hope you understand. Next, let's go to the next sums. Example 1.13. Velan bought 8.36 kg of potato and Seher bought 6.29 kg of potato. Which is heavier? Now tell me what they have given this problem. Velan bought of potatoes 8.36 kg and Seher bought of potato 6.29 kg. Okay. Well, you are right. So, we compare the weight of potatoes. Compare the weight of potatoes 8.36 and 6.29. Comparing the whole number part. First of all, you compare the whole number part. Whole number is same means next you move the tens place. Tens place are also same means next you compare the hundreds place. This sum whole number, compare the whole number part. Whole number is not same. So first one 8, second one 6. So 8 is greatest of 6. 8 is greatest of 6. Therefore, 8.36 greater than 6.29. Velan potato is heavier. Okay. Next, example 1.14. Two automatic ice cream machines A and B designed to fill cups with 100 milliliter of ice cream were tested. Two cups of ice creams, one from machine A and one from machine B, are weighted and found to be 99.56 milliliter from machine A and 99.65 milliliter from machine B. Can you say which machine gives more quantity of ice creams? Given two ice creams, preparing of two ice cream machines, okay, machine A and machine B. Machine A preparing of some ice creams and machine B preparing of some ice creams. Example, machine A preparing of vanilla ice creams and machine B preparing of strawberry ice creams. Okay, so some tasted cream with tasted cream added for machine A and machine B. Machine A, some tasted cream added 100 milliliter, same machine B added of 100 milliliter. Machine A 99.56 milliliter, machine A. Next machine B 99.65 milliliter. So you compare the machine A and machine B. Machine A value 99.56 milliliter. Machine B value 99.65 milliliter. Here the whole, compare the whole numbers. Whole numbers are equal. So next you compare the tens place. Here the whole number parts of the given two numbers are equal. So we comparing the digits at tens place. Tens place means first one 5, second one is 6. So 5 less than of 6. Okay, 5 less than of 6. Which is heavier? Second, machine B is heavier. So machine A is 99.56. Next machine B is 99.65 milliliter. Which one is greatest? Machine B is greatest. Machine B gives more quantity of ice creams. Okay, do you understand now? Okay, shall we go to the next sums? Example 1.50. A standard art paper is about 0.05 millimeter thick and matte coated paper is 0.09 millimeter thick. Can you say which paper is more thick? Now look at my hands. One hands, I have a book in one hand and a pen in another hand. Okay, can you say which is overweight? ஒரு கையில புக் இருக்கு, ஒரு கையில பென் இருக்கு. Which one is overweight? Pen is small weight. ஓகேவா? You comparing pen and book is overweight is book. பெண்ணையும் புக்கையும் கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது எது ஓவர் வெயிட்டு? புக்கு. ஸோ அதே சேம் மெத்தடு. ஆர்ட் பேப்பர் இஸ் 0.05 millimeter thick and another one coated paper means 0.09 millimeter thick. Which paper is more than thick? Okay, so you compare 0.05 and 0.09. Here whole number, next tens place are also equal. Here the whole number and tens place of the two given numbers are equal. So next you comparing the hundreds place. Hundreds place. Hundreds place number is first one 5, second one is 9. So we get 5 less than of 9. 5 less than of 9. Therefore 0.05 less than of 0.09. Which one is more than thick? coated paper is more than thick. 0.09 millimeter is more than thick. Okay, next example 1.63. Now let us arrange the long jump records of students in a school for 3 years in ascending order. First year 4.90 meter, second year 4.91 meter, third year 4.95 meter given. Now let us arrange the long jump records. Students, one school, long jump records, students of the long jump records arranging the ascending order. First year that students is 4.90 meter, second year 4.91 meter, third year 4.95 meter. Therefore the whole number parts of the 3 decimal numbers are equal. Whole numbers, first year 4, second year 4, third year 4. Therefore whole number of parts are equal. Next, tens place are also equal, same 9 9 9. Next we compare the hundreds place. Hundreds place, first one 0 1 5. Comparing the hundreds place 0 1 and 5. Here 0 less than of 1. Next 1 less than of 5. 0 less than of 0 is smallest number, 1 is greatest number. 0 less than of 1. Okay, so the ascending order is 0 means 4.90, 4.91 and 4.95. Ascending order means smallest number goes to the greatest number. Smallest number goes to the greatest number. Example steps. Down and up. டவுன்லேருந்து இப்போ கீழே நிற்கிறோம், மேலே போகணும் அப்படின்னா ஸ்மால் ஸ்டெப்ஸ் வழியாக தானே போவோம். ஓகே, தட் ஒன் இஸ் அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர். நெக்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 1.17. மேகலா அண்ட் மாலா பாட் 2 watermelons weighing 13.523 kg and 13.52 kg. Which is a heavier one? Meghala and Mala, 2 girls, bought of 2 watermelons. Meghala watermelons weight is 13.523 kg. Mala bought of watermelon is 13.52 kg. Which one is heavier? So you compare the 2 numbers, 13.523 and 13.52. Okay, here the whole numbers are equal. Next, you compare the tens place. Tens place are also equal. Next, we compare the hundreds place. Hundreds place were also equal. Next, third, you compare the thousands place. Whole number, tens place, hundreds place, both are equal. Next, we comparing the thousands place. Thousands place given the number is 3. It is not given. So, you consider the 0. So, 3 and 0. Which one is greatest? 3 greater than of 0. 0 over 3 is greatest number. So, 13.523 greatest of 13.52. So, Meghala watermelon is heavier. Next, adjective type questions. Fifth one, 0.009 is equal to 0.009 is equal to first one 0.9. So the answer is 0.9. 0.009. So wrong answer. Next, that answer 0.09. How many zeros in point of after the point of zeros? 2. Given only 1 0. So not. Next, that one is 0.9. So wrong. After the point is 2 0. given 9, 209. Next, that value is not. Back side வர்ற அந்த 0க்கு value இல்லை. So, third one is correct. Next, 37.70, 37.7. Whole numbers are equal. Tens place are also equal. Next we compare the hundreds place. Given 0, not didn't given. So you consider the 0. So 0, 0. Hundreds place are also equal. So which symbol? Equal. Seventh one, 78.56, 78.57. Okay. First of all, you compare the whole numbers. Whole numbers means 78, 78. Same. Next, you consider the tens place. Tens place are also same. Next, you compare the hundreds place. Hundreds place means first one 6, second place is 7. 6 less than of 7. 6 less than of 7. So, which symbol? Less than. Okay. Next, exercise 1.5 and challenging problems. Challenging problems. Write the following amount using decimals. 809 rupees 99 paise. Paise means decimal part. Rupees means whole numbers part. So we will write 809.99 amount using decimals. You write in decimals. So rupees means whole number part. Paise means decimal part. 809 whole number, 99 is decimal part. So 809.99. Next, rupees means whole number, paise means decimal part. So 147.70 paise. Next, express the following in meters using decimals. Given for centimeter. Centimeter converted to meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. For 1 centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 100 meter. So 1328 divided by 100. So how many zeros? 2 0. Left to right, you compare the two numbers, put in point. So 1 3 2 8. 2 0 means 1 2. So answer is 13.28 meter. Next, 419.100. 419. How many zeros? 2 0. So left to right, two numbers, 1 2. So the answer is 4.919 meter. Next, express the following using decimal notation. 8 meter 30 centimeter in meters. 8 meter 30 centimeter. 8 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. By 8 meters is equal to 8 into 100, 800. So 800 centimeter plus 30 centimeter. 830 centimeter. So first of all, convert the centimeter. Next centimeter converted to meter. Okay. Per 830 divided by 100. 8.30 meter. Next one, 24 kilometer 200 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 24 kilometer. 24 into 1000, 24,000. 24,000 plus 200, 24,200. 24,200 meter. Converted to kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. 24,200 divided by 1000. How many 0? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 24.200 kilometers. Okay. Thank you, students.